Today we're going to show you one of the longest projects that Drabkin has ever worked on. Not because it should be a long project, but because Drabkin chooses the most complicated and detailed and complex kind of projects that he can think of. Tell him about it.
As you know, we work for a high-tech company and we had investors from the start, good ones, great investors. And we wanted to show our appreciation and make them a present like no other present in the world. So we made 6 custom tables. They were made from maple and sapelli. They were inlaid with brass, and this project was one of the hardest and most time-consuming, elaborated and fun things I've ever built.
It only took him 3 months to build full time.
Push the button, Michael. Push the button. Michael, push the button. Push the We're gonna take rough lumber and cut it into manageable sizes so I can cut them, plane them, and afterwards I'm gonna glue them. So right now I'm gonna cut the boards, joint them using first the track saw and afterwards the table saw. And then I'm gonna use the domino in order to cut slots, put in dominoes and align all the boards together for easy glue up. I've glued all the slices together and it's not leveled, and I couldn't put it in the planer because the plane is only like 40 centimeters and the table is about 70. I could try sanding it, but then I'm not ensuring that it's level. What I decided to do is like build a router sled. I just move the sled a little bit each time, plane the board and flatten it. And afterwards I can just like sand it a bit just to take out the router marks. Well, this project taking much more time than anticipated. It's gonna be a long journey. I'm up for it. So today we are in the lumber yard. I'm looking for like boards that are not crooked, cupped or twisted. The beautiful thing about maple is that it's really calm. It doesn't have like too many shades and colors. This one looks pretty good. So we got the wood, let's load it up. That's not mine. Real makers drive Toyota Corolla. So after we routed the outer ring, I glued it in place, screwed it with pocket holes, and we're one step closer to finish the tabletop. Now it's time to move to the legs. It's built out of 3 parts. So I've cut the maple into small pieces, and then I use the tapering jig to taper the legs. made these spaghetti plates for the middle of the table. It's gonna have Monday.com's logo. I'm gonna use the laser cutter to engrave a place for the brass and epoxy. All the brass plates that we photo etched before are now inlaid in the table. Each plate represents Monday.com's milestones from seed to IPO. I used epoxy to glue them in the table, and now it's time for a bit of sanding, and then we're gonna oil it. I made this table because I wanted it to be a token of appreciation. Thanks to you, I've got the best job in the world.
I'm ready.
A routed sled.
Ah, that's the secret.
I can't wait to have this thing put together in my office.
This is so much harder than software.
The beautiful thing about Maple is that it's free.
Wow, selected the boards.
Choosing every piece.
The craftsmanship is just incredible.
Change the shirt in the middle of making the table.
This is art.
Change the shirt again. It's all special effects.
Give me a break, that's so cool.
Just another example of amazing Monday products. The Monday Maker team, I love it.
Table is priceless.
The wood finish is so nice.
This table will deserve a very central position in Sapphire offices.
I think it's very, very pretty.
And fucking tastic.
You know, my other companies get very jealous when they see this.
I've never received something so special in my life. You know, from any company, any portfolio, it's really an honor and a privilege.
Now, I've been doing this for 22 years and I've never gotten such a present. This is truly special.
I know the Monday since the days it was still the Pulse, or I would say it's day zero. And it's been an honor to be a guest in pretty much all those stages and to see the company evolve to what it is today. And to know that this is just a step in the journey, right? We have so much more to do.
I'm amazed that obviously it's a true carpentry artist in our building here, so it's pretty wild to watch.
I love the symbolism and building an amazing product. Every time I look at this, I'll just think about all the amazing products the Monday team's building, and I love that.
I'm touched and honored.
Thank you so much again.
Amazing job, guys.
Thanks, guys. Really appreciate the call.
Thank you.
Cheers.
If you like the video, you want to see more, subscribe, like, and tell us in the comments if you want to know anything about the project.
See you in the next video. Bye.